Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to navigate in Lucidchart. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Navigating Lucidchart is a straightforward process, but mastering the platform's interface can help you work more efficiently. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard, wherein you have the home button, the most recent document that you have created. The start section is if you wanted, say for example, you favorited a specific template or a file. The team folders, if you are working with a team, especially if you're working with multiple freelancers. The documents are the recent documents that you have created. Then of course the trash, wherein if you delete a file, a diagram, it will be forwarded here where we can restore or we can permanently delete it. The shared with me section is if, say for example, a client shared a file with you here in Lucidchart, you should be able to see that. In the discover section, you have the templates, wherein you can search and use any templates to begin your work. You can choose from agile, brainstorming, processes, meetings, planning, research, teamwork, systems, education, and partner. And if you have created a specific template, you should be able to see it from here. Now, the integrations are the third-party tools wherein Lucidchart can seamlessly work with. These are some of the options that you can choose: Avocore, Neat, AI Custom GPI, Asana, Audit Board, Amazon, Azure, Brand Fetch, Canvas, Lucid Software, Confluence, Cisco, Coda, Dropbox, and a lot more. So basically, these are some of the basic navigation integration tools for third-party softwares. Now, for you to be able to start working here and familiarizing yourself with the interface, we can start clicking the plus button here that would forward it to the Lucidchart to create your work. You can start from scratch by clicking the blank document, or again, remember the template. If you do that, it would be forwarded here. Now, you would notice that there is like a different icon for this. This is the Lucid Spark. So you might want to take note of that. These icons stands for Lucid Spark, and this one is for the flow chart. If you want to preview the template to make sure that the template that can help you clearly define and visualize these steps in your process, click this button right here and it would forward you to the diagram builder. Wait for it, takes a little while. All right, so you would notice that once it's set up, you would have the interface overview here in Lucidchart. You can have the option or the capability to rename the file. You also have an option to insert elements here, such as the images. You can choose from your own local directory or computer, a GIF, and OneDrive. If you do that, you should be able to create, insert an image here without any problem. Now, the left, if you right click on this canvas, any point in the canvas, you have an option to draw a line, create horizontal guide, create a vertical guide, and add presentation slide. We're just going to click on the document setting because I wanted to show you that you can change the color of your canvas from any color that you desire. All right, you can choose from any of these. Now, I'm just going to choose a color that resembles the Lucidchart logo. In the left side, you have the shapes wherein you can drag and drop any flowchart here, diagram. And if you click on more shapes, you have all these. You can also put in a text. For example, drag that, type your text here. You have the option to increase the font size right here. And on the left side, again, you have the option for the containers. If you want to add more containers, smart containers, you can drag it here. Any part of your canvas, all right? You have the option for the layout, manage fields, manage containers, the information, all of it in the shape options. You can hover down here. You see if there's a scroll bar. You can navigate to any part of your canvas. All right. Now, on the document settings, you have an option for the infinite canvas. Or if you don't want to have it, You also have the option to show margin if you want and show rulers. So you have all these options: the grid and snapping, spell check, commenting, lines, and zoom factor. All right. And the left side again, you have the section wherein it says themes. You can choose from any of the following. For example, a green one. It's gonna be the primary. Border color is gonna be orange. Secondary is gonna be like this accent and highlight. So you can customize the way how you wanted your interface looks like here in the edit styles button in your Lucidface interface. In the conditional formatting, if you want to add a rule, just click it here. We have a separate video for that. Now the data, if you want to import data, you also have that option. You see, but it requires you to subscribe to their premium plan. This is the visual activities wherein you can put in all activities, quick start, team building, education, and premium. If you do that, for example, if you want to add a document, you would be forwarded here, but it requires a premium plan. But if you don't want that, just hover down here in the generate diagram. We have a separate video on how to use AI here in Lucidchart that you might want to check in our channel. Please do that. In this section is the diagram as code. All right. Now you can generate a diagram with a mermaid. Click that, but it requires a premium plan as well. The section here is the integrations. Again, these are going to be the third-party tools where you can use for automation and easier workflow for efficiency. The last part is going to be the quick tools wherein you can put in the quick shape banks, dot banks, AI actions, brainstorm, summarize, annotate. You can also have an option for recording video, but that requires, say, a premium plan. On the upper right corner, you have the option to create a presentation builder. Just click the add a new slide, but that requires a premium feature as well. It can also present this document. And then the share button here is something that if you want to share to a collaborative features, for example, you want to click the share button in the top right to add comments by selecting a shape. All right. It allows multiple people can work on this specific file. You can add their name here or the email, and you can also slide this toggle on to get a shareable link wherein you have an option to give them access, edit and share, and change access permissions. Edit only wherein they cannot share or change access permissions. Comment can only be done, but they can't share, edit, or change access permissions. And the view only is nothing they can do, but only view. Click that. Click also the collaborators here, and the left side panel on the file. You can import, make a copy, save it, export it in different file formats such as PDF, PNG, JPEG, SVG, and a lot more. All right. Basically, that's how you navigate within the Lucidchart, and you will be expert in no time. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.